wanted to go over some selling points for you sales reps out there, and go over a few things in separation from the competition or what is available on the market right now compared to the IronHorse. This is a unit that is actually used at one of our customers' stores right now. It takes several hours to charge a vehicle. They have to take the extension cords out, obviously with the elements, the rain and the snow where we are here in Idaho, to get the vehicle to do what this will do in a matter of minutes. The IronHorse, a long process would be 5 minutes as opposed to hours with this unit. Obviously extremely portable. The unit weighs 30 pounds. Our clamps, there's just several different things. We have the longest cables and heaviest gauged cables of any unit on the market. We provided extra long cables so you can get up inside the vehicle and reach up inside to get the connections. Also, a feature that is very important is that we can do multiple charges and multiple jump starts off of the IronHorse. So some of the units that are available out there currently, you'll go out, you might get one charge, one jump start if they will in fact turn over the vehicle. If they do, you're going back to the wall to charge for several hours. The IronHorse is used to jumpstart multiple vehicles on one charge.